Hello, Bendy Babes. Are we ready for Boxycharm 2.0? There's so much information that I just want to relate to you guys about what's going on with Boxycharm. I'm so excited. So just sit back and let me tell you the information. Let's start off with our information that we have on Boxycharm 2.0. So first of all, instead of having two main boxes with Boxycharm, we're going to have a total of three boxes. Three boxes. Our first box is going to be our base box, and our base box is having some changes. Now, base box has been talked about. We were going to have customization. Well, they've told us exactly what customization we'll have. We'll have one item a month we can pick. If you go on to Boxycharm right now, you need to sign into your account and pick your one item for October. You have until tomorrow around noonish. I'm not sure when it ends exactly, but you don't have much time. So I would head over there right now and pick your item for October, then continue with this video. The other change we're going to have in our Boxycharm base box is starting in November, we will have a price increase. In order to get all these extra benefits, we are going to have a price increase from $21 to $25. How can you get around this? The only way to get around it is to lock in either a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month plan at $21. If you can lock in your 3-month plan, you'll save about, a 3-month plan for $21 a month is $63. So you'll save about $12 because 3 months at 25 is 75. So you'll be saving a total of $12. If you lock in the price for 6 months, it'll cost you $126 compared to $150, so you'll be saving $24. If you lock in the $21 price at 12 months, it'll cost you $252, so you'll be saving at least $48 because 12 months at 25 is $300. So there's a little savings there if you can afford it. Not many people can afford to do this, but it's certainly worth it if you can lock it in at that $21 price. So now, instead of having 4 to 5 full-size products, you're going to have 5 full-size products. It's been 5 for so long, but they're going to officially change the base box to 5 full-size products. And the value, instead of being $100, it'll be at least $125. And I'll show you a chart to clarify all this after I talk about each box. Now, when he comes with these figures, and you'll know this from in the past, these are conservative figures. When has our Boxycharm ever been $100? Not since I've joined. He said for our November box, for instance, will be 5 products valued at least $125, but he said the value of the November base box is minimum $180, depending on the variation you get. So that's about how it's been. Now let's move on to our BOXYLUXE. In order to get BOXYLUXE, you have to be still subscribed to Boxycharm. You have to be subscribed to the base box. If you decide, hey, I don't want that base box, I want to go with the new Boxy Premium Box, you won't be able to get BOXYLUXE off of that. Now, he did talk about in the off months, when the wait list is up and they have enough room, you might decide, hey, in November, I want to go with Boxy Premium instead of the base box because they don't have the BOXYLUXE that month. He said that would be fine, and then you can switch back up to Boxycharm in December. That way you can get your BOXYLUXE. I don't know how all this is going to work, but I'm just relaying the information. So our BOXYLUXE will change in this way. BOXYLUXE will continue to be $49.99. The price will not change, but the value is going up. Our BOXYLUXE will be valued at least $275 instead of $250. He's just trying to really give us a good experience with Boxycharm, and I appreciate Joe so much for being the person he is because I really think he is a good person. He wants to give you a good product for your money. Let's move on to Boxycharm Premium. The premium box will cost us $75. And in your premium box, you will get 6 to 7 products in your premium box. Now, all the packaging is going to change. We're going to have new packaging starting in November, so that will be exciting also. So basically, you'll be getting 2 extra products in your premium box. Now, what is the difference between the premium and the luxe? In the premium, of course, there's a price difference, but in the premium, you're getting all beauty products. Now, in the luxe box, you get premium and lifestyle products. So it's basically a matter of preference. The value of the premium will be at least $175, and you'll be able to customize 1 product in your premium. Now, for all this to go smoothly, you just have to make sure you have enough funds in your bank account or your charge card to be able to run these products through. If your card doesn't work when they run it through, I'm not going to lie, it's happened to me before, you're risking customization. If it doesn't run through when you, on the first of the month, by the time, it's usually a couple days later, by the time you go in, change your card, or do whatever you have to do, there may not be any of those products left. That's the only way you're going to risk getting your customized products, is if your card doesn't go through. And that happens to everybody now and again. So now we know what our 3 boxes are. Now let's talk about the add-ons, since we just mentioned it. You will be offered exclusive products each month based on the different variations. Some of these variations will be in the add-ons. So if you didn't get to pick one of these, you will be able to add it on in your box. Have you ever customized and you really had a hard time picking the product out of the 2 because you loved them both? Well, you may be able to get it in the add-on section. Shipping cost on add-ons. Your add-ons shipping costs will be free, and you live in the contiguous United States. And what that means is the 48 states, the continental USA. You will have free shipping. Now, when these products, you go in and pick your add-ons, they will be sent separately from your subscription box. Once you pay for your products, in 5 to 10 days, you'll get a tracking notice. Then once you get your tracking, your add-ons will be sent separately from your box. Let me talk about Boxy Pop-Up. We will have a Boxy Pop-Up every quarter. This is so exciting. Everybody was so happy with the last Boxy Pop-Up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I will put it up on the community tab. If you're on my notification list, I will give you an email, notify you as soon as it goes up. And in the Boxy Pop-Up, you'll pay for these, like I said, and you will get these items shipped separately from. Our next Boxy Pop-Up will be in November. What a great time before Christmas. Joe Morton had a Q&A with his faculty, and people were signing in and asking questions. First, he talked about all the boxes. He said we're going to have new packaging. Okay, the first question that was asked is, do you have to upgrade from a $21 box to a $25 box? Is it an upgrade? Similar, I think they were asking like BOXYLUXE was an upgrade. Well, the answer is no. It's a total price increase. There will be no more $21 box. It'll be a $25 box, if that makes sense. You're not going to have a $21 box and a $25 box. The next question was, do you have to have a separate account to have Boxycharm Premium? And the answer to that is no. You can do it on your same Gmail of your account. You can sign up for the premium. And if you want to sign up, you can go right now and get on the wait list, your email, and they will contact you if you get in. But you can have both the base box and the premium box. As a matter of fact, that was a question. Can you have all 3 boxes? The base BOXYLUXE, the Boxy Premium, and the BOXYLUXE? And the answer is yes, you can have all 3 boxes. Can you have BOXYLUXE and the Premium box? The answer to that is no. In order to have BOXYLUXE, you have to have the base box. It's an upgrade from the base box to BOXYLUXE. This question was interesting. If you get both the Boxycharm base box, the $25 box, and the Boxycharm Premium, will you get the same products in it? And they said no, based on the variations in products, and if you have it on your same account, They will make sure that they give you different products in each box. And that's as well as the Luxe box. They're going to try to make sure you get different products in each box if it's on the same account. And this is a big one, guys. Boxycharm is the first beauty subscription box to bring complexion product customization out of the store and into charmers' homes. They are going to give us a quiz, which I already have taken the quiz. I received the email, which you will be receiving soon. And you can see in my email here, it asks you, what foundation are you using today? And they want to know the shade of that foundation. Then they move on to concealers. Which concealer are you using today? And which shade is it? They're going to take this into account. Plus, we will be getting some shade samples in our Boxycharm box. Yep, we will be getting some swatches or something in our Boxycharm box to be able to even confirm this even farther. Oh, I'm so excited. So let me share with you how we got this sneak peek. Natalie Paris was at the Boxycharm studios doing a full face of makeup, and she showed what foundation Boxycharm shared with her. And here is the clip.
I just used the Skin Fetish by Pat McGrath Labs in the color number 8. I've been wanting to try this since the day it came out. Thank you, Boxycharm. I am obsessed. I am so happy. I love you guys.
Oh my God. Can it be we're getting a Pat McGrath foundation? Oh my God, I'm so excited to see this, and I want to thank Miss Boxycharm News for sharing this with me. Thank you so much, Sarah. So let's see what this foundation is exactly. We have Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfecting Foundation, and this sells for $68. This is a long-wearing, customizable foundation that builds from sheer to medium coverage in a wide range of universal hues that manifest the universal sublime skin standard. It's got medium coverage, it's a natural finish, and it's a liquid formulation. It's for skin types normal, dry, combination, and oily. This is a special high-end foundation. It's got this Vita Serum Complex that moisturizes and helps fight the appearance of wrinkles, while Diamond Core Power Technology enhances skin's texture and helps smooth and blur the appearance of fine lines, pores, and imperfections. The silky, weightless formulation impairs a filtered, soft focus luminosity. I am so excited about this. It was hard to keep it in. At first, we weren't sure when she told me about it if it was something that Boxy could even offer because of the customization you have to get the correct shades. But with the updates today, this is coming. I don't know if it'll be in November, but I think it's a possibility. But it is coming soon. So thank you all. Make sure you comment for my giveaway. This month we're giving away the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette as well as 4 lipsticks. And the same set will be given to my elite group of loyal subscribers. If you are a Patreon, have donated to PayPal, or have donated a super chat in the month of September, you will be in on that giveaway also. Don't forget, I have my Patreon if anyone is interested. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. I would really, really appreciate it. And until I see you next time, love you guys. Bye. Mwah.